Understanding winning numbers in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to dive into a very interesting phrase, winning numbers. This phrase is commonly used, especially in contexts like lotteries and games, but it also has broader applications. Let's explore what it means and how you can use it in different scenarios. Winning numbers typically refers to a set of numbers that have been selected or drawn in a game, lottery, or contest, and which determine the winner. For example, in a lottery, the winning numbers are those drawn from a machine, and if your ticket matches these numbers, you win a prize. While most commonly associated with lotteries, the term winning numbers can be used in various other contexts. For instance, in a sports context, it might refer to the numbers on the jerseys of players who performed exceptionally well in a game. In a business context, it could metaphorically refer to sales figures that exceed targets. To understand how to use this phrase, here are some examples. 1. Did you check the winning numbers for the lottery last night? 2. The winning numbers in today's sales report show an impressive increase in revenue. 3. In last night's football game, players with the winning numbers really turned the match around. In many cultures, certain numbers are considered lucky or auspicious. So, the term winning numbers can also carry a cultural significance, especially in contexts where choosing the right numbers is thought to bring good fortune or success. I hope this video has helped clarify the meaning and usage of the phrase, winning numbers. Remember, language is not just about words, but also about the context in which they are used. Keep practicing, and you'll soon master the art of English phrases and idioms. Until next time, happy learning!